Alright, now that you've successfully completed your spreadsheet model of planning a business, you are ready to share it with your colleagues and the world. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go all the way up over to here into the right hand corner, click that button that says share. It's going to give you some options. You're going to click get shareable link, and then you're going to want to make sure that it selects the option that anyone with the link can view. If you're not sure, you can also click advanced to see more options. If you're on a G Suite for Education domain, for example, you'll have some more options listed here. But in any case, you want to click that it's on, that anyone with the link can view. You probably don't want to give them edit access, but can view your work. Click save. You're going to then click done. If you didn't do so before, you're going to want to copy that link, and then you can go ahead and share it out. So for example, I'm going to go over here to my Twitter account. I've got a post ready to go. I'm just going to add that link there. And I added a couple hashtags so that way people can follow it or can find it. And then I'm just going to tweet it out. After you're done, please do me a favor and go over back to the page and fill out this feedback form so that way I can learn from you about what was helpful, what was not, and how to make this better for you. Thank you.